When you remove U-tip hair extensions, fusions, or anything with keratin, you need to first coat the bond with some sort of remover. This is my favorite one to use. You can grab it on Amazon. It's the nicest one with one of the lower price points. If you don't have this, you can use acetone or rubbing alcohol, but nothing works as quickly as actual remover. And these do work best if yours are super old, like mine. See how far down it is? So the older they are, the better. On the bond, you're just going to coat the product on and rub it around on all the sides. Then you're going to take your fusion pliers. If you don't have these, just regular pliers. It's pretty much the same thing. So pretend this is the fusion bond. You're going to go through and crack the bond. So you're just going in, clamping it down, twisting it to get the other side, clamping it down. And then you should be able to lightly tug this down without pulling your hair. If it's pulling at your hair, you don't want to rip your hair out, so you want to keep applying product and keep mashing it. Hopefully you can see that, but I have a few hairs here, which is normal because we naturally shed hair every day. I think it's like 150 hairs per day. So these were hairs that were trapped that weren't able to fall out on their own. This amount is normal. Then just take a fine tooth comb and make sure you can go through the hair. Oh, my hair is really staticky. If you have any glue residue, you can apply more product and slowly pick at it with a comb. It should just slide out. Now I'm gonna show you from a different point of view. I just put these in this morning, so we're gonna coat them with the product, using a lot of product because they're not old like mine were. The newer they are, the harder they are to get out. Let that sit, and you may want to wear gloves. It does dry your hands around your cuticles out. It's made with mostly alcohol. Taking our pliers, squeezing all the way through the bond, and they do make fusion remover pliers that are very wide, so you only have to clamp down once. These are microbead pliers, so they're a little smaller. They're more like needle nose pliers, and this should just slide out. If you're doing this yourself, you do want to take your time and work in sections. So you could section the hair off into 4 quads, 1, 2, 3, 4. Put all the remover on this quad, then work your way up or down. Normally a full head of fusions, U-tips, whatever you want to call them, is anywhere from 100 to 200 pieces. So what I'm trying to say is this is going to take some time. You're going to want to put a show on. And the aftercare for these, you just want to shampoo your hair with a nice clarifying shampoo, maybe follow up with a conditioning mask because this alcohol does dry out the hair, especially if you're using acetone. And try to stay away from the ends with this product, acetone or anything, because it will really dry and fry the ends. And as a little prep in the beginning, if you know you're going to remove these about 3 or 4 days before, apply conditioner on the bond, and that will help loosen it up. Because typically when you shampoo your hair with these in, you don't apply conditioner on these because that loosens them. So now would be your time when you know you're about to take them out to go ahead and start applying conditioner. Gently tugging, that is pulling her hair.